Chickens and ducks are out eating their food and water, having their breakfast. A couple of eggs in there I have to get later. And I think one of our chickens might be laying her first egg. Just getting ready for it anyways. Let's go and say hi to everybody. Oh, look at that fun egg. Did you like that? Oh, she's gone broody. Oh no, she's gone broody. How could she be broody when she's only just like... She's only a baby. She's very broody. That was everybody. There's Daffy and Donald. Silly red Raven's gone broody. I'll have to take the egg from her now. We got a new chicken as well. Here's a new chicken. I have to clean up this place and move it. Get some fresh grass on it. And get some eggs. Oh, she's gone broody. That's not good. I'll have to take the egg off her. She's got some duck eggs. I think she must be laying these small eggs. Hello, baby. I have to take the egg off you. Gonna take the eggy. Sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Take the egg. That's a big egg, too. Jesus. Should I take the flesh off? I'm sorry. Let me get these eggs. There's a lot of eggs in here. Jesus. Look at all these eggs. I think they're starting to bury them. Oh my god. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, I'm gonna have to clear this out because I think they could be starting burying the eggs. I don't know if it's a good idea to keep a chicken broody, so I'm just gonna take them from her. But yeah. Look at all those eggs. She's only a young chicken too. So we got the duck eggs. The ducks are laying non-stop. Hey guys, thank you for watching this little vlog. More coming on the way. Thanks for watching.